Doesn't baked salmon with tomatoes, spinach, and mushrooms sound like a tasty dinner time option? It's a high source in vitamin A, so it's good for you, and it's filled with delicious ingredients, so it tastes great. And did I mention, it only takes 10 minutes to prepare. So I have here 4 salmon fillets. They look absolutely beautiful, and I've placed them skin side down in this baking dish that I've lightly sprayed with some cooking spray. Now I also have 2 cups of fresh spinach leaves that I've thoroughly washed. I'm gonna add it to this bowl. I'm gonna add in 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. Okay, here's a great trick for slicing mushrooms. I like to use an egg slicer. Just pop the mushroom in and gently push down, and voila, there you go. Aren't they perfect? Good, and then 1 chopped tomato and a 1/3 cup Kraft Signature sun-dried tomato and oregano dressing for a tangy flavor. I'm just gonna mix this, and this is beautiful. Looks absolutely fresh, and it smells wonderful. Now we're gonna pour this over top of our fish. And we'll just spoon on top. You can just go right down the center. This looks so pretty. I'm gonna bake this at 375 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. This looks so tender, moist, and full of delicious flavor. For more simple fish recipes, search keyword salmon on craftcanada.com.